What's going on, guys? It's Matt here from Matt Roxy Zoomies, and I'm just here to do an upgrade on my CF MOTO 450 SR. As you can see, I've already got the tinted windshield on here. It's good, it's okay, it looks alright, but I've just gone and bought myself a what I preferred. It's the double bubble windshield here. Got it from Aliexpress or however you want to say it there. So I'm just going to do a quick video just to show you how quick and easy it actually is to install these windshields on these bikes. It's literally 4 bolts, and then the only other thing that you're going to need is a 5mm Allen wrench and maybe a spanner just for a bit of leverage in case those bolts are a little tight. So this is what it looks like currently with the current windshield on there. Like I said, it looks good, it does the job. It certainly looks better than the stock windshield that comes with the bike, but the double bubble is going to make all the difference. So let's get cracking. So like I said, very simple. You just got 2 bolts on each of these mirrors here. Of course they are wide because they do have an inbuilt indicator, so I don't actually unplug these. I just put them and just sort of leave them precariously hanging there, I suppose. But very simple install, all the same. And because I've already changed over this windshield previously, the bolts aren't too tight. A little bit awkward to get to, but you know what, if I was smart I'd do that and get that out of the way. That one's a bit tight, so this is where the little wrench trick comes into play, because it just gives you that little bit of extra leverage just to crack that bolt right there. As you can see, that came off quite easily that time. So that's one of them off. Easy as. Like I said, just sort of lay it down there. No way, it's not going to fall anywhere. That's definitely out of the way. If you want, you can unplug it. The plug's only right there, but you know, for what we're doing here, it comes off quite easily, so there's no real need to unplug them, not unless you really want to, I suppose, but I just don't see what the point is. So let's just move on to the other side. Once again, she's a bit stuck. Just pop the spanner on there for a bit of leverage. You're just going to be a bit careful now. There's no bolts holding the windshield. You don't want it to fall, so just make sure you grab hold of the windshield when you're moving this mirror, because yeah, if you want to keep that windshield to put on later on, you definitely don't want it getting damaged or scratched by it falling off. Once you got them undone, simple as that, off she comes, bare bones. And of course, to put the new one on, it's just the total opposite of what you've done there. Again, just making sure that, one, the holes line up, 2, you're not trapping the wire underneath the windshield there. You want to make sure that you've definitely got that out of the way. And then yeah, just start putting the mirrors back on and the bolts. Just loosely put that one on, because now I don't have to hold the windshield, sitting there comfortably. I know it's not going to fall. They're nice and tight on there. So the last thing you want is your mirrors vibrating loose, potentially coming off, which they shouldn't anyway, but just in case, a little bit of added insurance. That's it, it's on. That's how easy it was. And there she is with the double bubble. Certainly a different look, but I like it. And I think it will definitely give me better wind deflection as well. I've had bikes with double bubbles before and they are far better than those flat windshields. Oh, that's in my opinion anyway. Awesome. Well, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out our Instagram and TikTok channels. Same handle, Matt Roxy Zoomies. Thanks guys.